guys, today we're doing another specialty for you. This time we're doing a bruschetta, whichever way you want to pronounce it is fine. We love it all, we take it in, we enjoy it, right? What we do is we basically take the tomatoes, drop them in the bowl, get them ready, okay? Boom, shakalaka, all right? We get the basil in there, doing it up, nice and fresh. And we've got our garlic that I chopped up a while ago. I'm gonna put that in there as well, okay? Who doesn't love a little bit of garlic? Oh my God, perfect. And then of course, a couple cracks of pepper. It's up to you guys how much you guys wanna put in, all right? A little bit of pepper as well. And if you guys want to, hey, you know, talk about thinking about putting some traditional balsamic vinegar that we have at the store in there as well. And of course, the main portion, olive oil. Yeah, you know, not too much, about a tablespoon or two. All right, mix it all up. This is supposed to be a little appetizer. It's nice, it's light, it's refreshing, getting ready for the summertime and everything else like that. Look at that color, look at that pop. You got all these different things that come in together for that, all right? Boom. You wanna serve this up as a little summertime poo-poo for all your friends coming over. It's a nice little appetizer, gotta love it. Hey, after that, you pick one up, poo-poo style, go ahead. You guys love it. You got the crunch, okay, you got the texture, you got the olive oil, you got the basil, the freshest, the cleanest tomato, the acidity. Hey.
And today what we're gonna do is something really easy. It's so fun, it's great for summer. It's a little bit of a sweet treat, something even easy enough to do with the kids. And you're just gonna easily spread this yummy, delicious cheese onto the crostini. And we want a little bit there because what we're gonna do next is we're just going to put our little berries on here. So this is a sweet bruschetta. It's a sweet berry bruschetta. And it's kind of fun. You know, it's almost like, you can think of it like a tart, how you would decorate the top of little tartlets. You could even use blackberries. You could do it with tropical fruits like pineapple or papaya, that kind of thing. Peaches would be really nice too. And just do it however you want. And here you go, so that I've got my fruit placed on there. And then I'm gonna drizzle it with a little bit of our favorite honey, the Kahuku Farms honey. And we love these guys, they're up on the North Shore of Oahu. And so we're just gonna make it really fun and beautiful. Just kind of drizzle on top. Just add that little extra bit of sweetness here. Then we're gonna finish it off with our beautiful strawberry balsamic. You could use blueberry, you could use fig, you could use anything. You could even use some of the whites, but for today, I'm gonna use this strawberry. So, bon appetit, guys. Sweet, rich. I love it. Just a little bite. Try this at home. Make this with your friends, your kids. Everyone will love it.
We appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for next time, okay? All kinds of wonderful things going on. That was fabulous. Make it for your friends and family. Stay tuned. Hey, if you guys got any other ideas that you guys want to see, a recipe recommendation or something like that, hey, send us an IM. Get back at us and let's get back into it. Let's open up this dialogue and maybe we can do something for you guys, all right? Aloha, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of us today. Thank you.